Well, I was at home sleeping, and a friend of my brother Colin said they just killed your brother.
This video here is the continuation of Kyle Latchman. Them kill him father and them catch the killer. You wouldn't believe how old this killer is. This is to show you what is going on in Belize. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. So, I'm gonna play a little bit of the summary of the video so they can understand who Kyle Latchman is. And then, I'm gonna come back in and I'm gonna show you the killer who killed him father. And the killer roll with George Street. But there is a very interesting phenomena that I noticed in Belize with these parents. Let's go. Me no know how him do the man them, but me know same around with the George Street gang. Now the Taylor Alley man them, half of them from long time, cause them a war for years. So it's like him do some man some things and the man them come and this is how the man them do. But there's a twist to this also. But listen to where the man them come and me yard come.
As Flowers is otherwise known, was sitting in front of his house along with 77-year-old Dusseldorf Wheat when an armed intruder charged into the yard and opened fire on the unsuspecting men.
Other brother and told him, and we went over there and I saw his body leaning up.
So now we have a summary, or I'm gonna say a premise of what I'm talking about. Latchman, him do the man them something and them come back and kill him father. Well, I want to listen to this because the police them catch the killer. But I want to notice something in this video with the parents talking, and then after that I go come back and elaborate on it. Let's go.
They me wanted and I carry in.
Listen to what mother said. He was wanted and then she carried him in. In other words, him turned himself in to the police and she made him.
Because I know he not do nothing. He made a homesick in a room. And Mr. Cobb tell me that they don't know who do this murder. But they already hold my son for question now.
No, she gave him an alibi because she said her son, he was sick at home in his room. But the police came and grabbed him and said they're questioning him about a murder.
Questioner and then questioner. And they were release her. Alright, they got with her from Tuesday evening.
Now, what mommy failed to realize is that if him go to the station without a lawyer and him open him mouth and say certain things where put him there, he might go get charged with the murder. But right here, it come in, like Mr. Just like Jamaica, because really and truly what the police need to do is to check his alibi. And if the mother same did there at the house at that time, then them need to check that alibi. If them can check phone pings or any kind of evidence we can collaborate what she is saying and what he is saying. But apparently it didn't go like that. Because the police them catch him, take him to the station and have him down there and wear out him bombard and listen to this.
Monday evening they got on a station. Because I make it right in. I got my older son Tuesday morning. And by the afternoon I release him. Because he me wanted, my son me wanted. George Hernandez me wanted. And I tell her, I say, Alan, the police want you. Because I call her Alan. So I tell her, God, he say he go give in the cell this time when he tell me, when I call her again, boy, they charge your brother.
She said he was wanted and she tell him to turn in himself. And when him turn in himself, them trick him. Now, you have them youth here, and them a do badness. And them don't know nothing about badness, them don't know nothing about the law. You understand? Them family poor, and look where them get mixed up in her. Let's go.
Do you know where your son was on the night of that shooting?
In my house they sleep. Because Christmas Eve, he get released from precinct Queen Street Police Station because they got a hole and they said that they grab her through Majestic Alley. Okay, they no bizang over that side. After that, the 26th, 25th, 26th, 27th, I carry a medical because either somebody will have leukemia, cancer.
You hear what mother say? By the 27th, she go check him and bring him in medication because him have leukemia. I just translate it for me, you know.
I just find that in November with her. So like I may have to like watch him. I may up on doctor treatment for the new year. The new year in a bed, that's why here never get caught. I saw this gunman.
So you...
And I told Mr. Cobb, I see the person. And when he showed me a picture of my phone, I tell her it's him.
So you're saying that your son was charged with a crime he didn't commit?
Definitely. Definitely. He get charged for murder for something when he not even do.
Now, the police them have it another way. Cause when this youth go to the police station, the police them, I don't know if them beat him up or what, or the other set of man them pressure him. But if there is so much evidence that he wasn't there, even the mother says she see the gunman. You know, and that's what me I say with these parents. And me understand how you kid and everything and your child, but you know what I'm saying? It can put you as a parent in a precarious situation because you don't even know if gunman will come back for you. But anyways, the mother have more defense than him because now him got a police station, you know, wanted for some other little thing. When him go there, the police end up charging him, and now the mother is coming out defending him, and the mother is saying what he should have been telling the police then. Now, that is crazy. This youth here in charge with the murder of Kyle Latchman's father. And Kyle Latchman's father is George Flowers. You understand? Him is Mr. Flowers. And then Kyle Latchman is the American citizen who go down to go look for him father and then join up with the George Street gang. And next thing you know, all sort of things start happening. So yo, wanna be the judge of this? Wanna think about this? Wanna think him guilty or not? Let countryman know. And remember, like, share and subscribe and click on the next video because it's related to this. Peace, I'm out.